First is our website. There's a lot of information on the website, and we have links to other websites and other information on it. Part of the website I think people would find interesting are the testimonials, particularly the video testimonials of patients that we've implanted stimulators in. Other sources of information are, we have seminars on this. Right now it's once every other week. That might change, but every other Wednesday. And we go through a full explanation of the procedure, full description. It's a very relaxed atmosphere, and just kind of go over any questions. We find that a lot of times people like to come in, sit down, and just in a relaxed fashion discuss the procedure. So there's just a myriad of places that they can find information. I think particularly helpful would be the website, the video interviews, and if people are interested after that, then more than welcome to come to a seminar that I give and have any questions answered then.